Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're going to be doing a power steering fluid swap on our 06 Saab 9.3. The tools for doing this are going to be very simple. We're going to need some power steering fluid, obviously. You know, whether it's AMSOIL, you get Valvoline, whatever it is, doesn't matter. Probably want something synthetic. You're going to want some safety glasses, working on any sort of fluids. You may want some gloves for your hands. And then I'm going to use a turkey baster. Make sure this is one that's not going to go back to the kitchen. This should be something dedicated for your garage or your shop. A couple shop towels, these are just the blue shop towels, and then some sort of a container to catch it in. Probably want something a little bit smaller than your regular oil catch can to be able to do this process. And so before we get to the hood, just a couple quick things. What we're going to do is basically we're going to be pulling old fluid out, putting it in there, replace a new fluid, turning the car back on, turning the wheels left, right, left, right, left, right to move the pump around or to move the fluid around, and then extract that out, put in more fluid, lather, rinse, and repeat, and keep that up until our fluid looks nice and clean. You know, this power steering fluid is generally a red color. Over time it'll break down, start looking black, and it won't lubricate the same way that it should to keep your power steering pump working well. Cheaper and easier to change your fluid than it is to replace your power steering pump and your power steering lines. Simple preventative maintenance, and it's actually relatively cheap, quick, and easy to do. So let's get started. And so now to get started, I've got my bottle right here. I'm going to start by removing my power steering fluid lid. Just push down and turn. I've already loosened it here. We'll set that aside. And then I'm going to put a little shop towel down just to make sure I don't get any drips. Squeeze in my turkey baster. Suck up the first of my fluid. You can see how black that is. And then when you think you've got almost all the fluid out of the reservoir, this reservoir doesn't hold that much, we're going to add clean fluid to it. So I'm going to clean this up here just a little bit, and then we're going to open up our first bottle, and we're going to top this off. Bear in mind that quite a bit of the fluid is in the rest of the power steering lines that go between this reservoir and the pump and your power steering rack. So we're going to have to turn the wheels left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right multiple times and repeat this process. Now that we've got the reservoir topped off to the proper level, we'll open our garage door, start the car, turn the wheels both ways a couple times, and we'll leave it stopped, parked in one direction, turn it off, and extract the fluid, and we're just going to keep repeating the process. It's just that simple. And then just keep replacing as much fluid as you can. You'll probably go through about 2 quarts of power steering fluid as you go through this whole process, and it's that easy. Simple, easy, you don't even need a hoist, jack stands or anything to do the process. So it's a little quick tip, easy and useful on how to change the power steering fluid on your Saab 9.3. Have a great day. Bye.